Hi, I'm Zaya, an AI engineer and a mom. This summer, every week, I'm sharing one AI tool and one AI project you can do with your kids right at home, no expensive camps required. Welcome to Summer AI Camp at Home. Quick question first. Have you ever paid for a coding class, a robotics kit, or a STEM camp, and your kid quit after 2 sessions? Yeah, me too. I work in AI and I've still made that mistake. So today, I'm walking you through a platform, Create and Learn. But really, I'm walking you through a system. How to find out whether your kid is genuinely interested in this stuff before you spend real money. 2 of the 4 steps are completely free. There are 100 kids coding platforms out there. Here's why this one made my list. The founder, Jesse Jiang, has a CS PhD from UCLA and was on the founding team of Google Cloud Platform. But that's not the part that sold me. What sold me is a decision she made with her own daughter. When her kid was 8 and had the coding basics down, the obvious next step was Python. And she stopped and asked, why does an 8-year-old need Python? What kids actually need first is to understand how this technology shows up in the real world. That's the whole philosophy. Applications before mechanics. And honestly, it's the same reason I started this channel. Step 1. Watch first. Don't even sign up. Go to their events page and find Tech Experts. These are open classes where kids hear directly from top people in the field, folks from NASA, Pixar, Apple, talking about how computer science actually gets used. The live ones are free, but here's the hack. Past sessions are already on YouTube. No account, no email, nothing. Put one on after dinner and just watch your kid. Do they lean in? Ask questions? That's signal. Step 2. Free live trial classes and try more than one. If step 1 got a reaction, go back to events and register for the free community events. These are real, live, small group classes with an instructor, not recordings. My one rule here, don't just try one subject. Do the AI intro, do Minecraft coding, do the Snap Circuits electronics class. The goal isn't learning yet, it's diagnosis. Some kids light up at circuits, some at game building. You can't know until they've tried both. Step 3. Browse the actual course catalog by grade. Now that you know the direction, check the classes page. Everything's organized by grade level, 2nd grade through high school. Scratch, Python, Roblox, AI, robotics, data science. You're just checking whether the learning path matches your kid's level, so you're not guessing at checkout. So, watch free on YouTube, trial free live classes, browse the catalog by grade, and only then, during a school break, consider paying. Interest first, money second. This is the exact journey I went through with my own daughter. Hope your kids find something fun there.